Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fanboy over these microphones because I like them, and I have used them pretty much since they came out. And I got two of them, as you can see right here, and they are just really, really fantastic. The Rode PodMic, and I'm gonna tell you, for the price that you pay for this, is really, really good. Now, first of all, they look fantastic. I'm gonna show you some B-rolls right here, so you can see the B-rolls and you can see how it looks. But essentially, as you're doing videos and things like that, as you can see me right here, you could kind of see the style, right? It's really pleasing through the video. It looks really well, and it just looks like a really good microphone. Now, if you want to use something like this, which is really inexpensive, and you want to have it kind of like this, you could use it that kind of setup as well. It's going to be up to you. Again, I have used both sizes, and I think, having an arm like this to me is really nice. I like this a lot, but there's some cases where I got to use this, and that's why I bought this as well. But again, you could use it however you want to, arm or desk stand and anything like that. But the cool thing about it is that, as you can see right here, it already has a mount that you could connect to your arm or to your desk stand. So essentially, you don't have to pay a lot of money extra. Some microphones, you got to buy the microphone, then you got to buy a way to a stand to connect it to a desk mount or an arm. So that's kind of included in there. That is really fantastic. Now, you could buy the microphone alone, or you could buy them, they actually sell them to you in different configurations with headphones and things like that. That's going to be your choice. Obviously, it's going to be an XLR microphone, and you can see that right there. That's an XLR cable. So you are going to need some kind of XLR audio interface. And again, don't be scared about that. They are really inexpensive in some cases, and they are really expensive in other cases. It's essentially how much money you want to spend is going to be up to you. So right now, I'm using an XLR from Elgato, and I really enjoy. Again, this is going to be more of a broadcasting kind of microphone. It's going to be more into, podcasters, streamers, gamers, and things like that. Not so much for like singing or anything like that, or instrument. That you should be utilizing a different microphone for that. Like I say, it's going to have a mount, but not also a mount. It's also going to have a pop filter in the internal. So a lot of times you see guys with microphone and then they have that pop filter. In this case, it's already going to be included, which is really kind of nice. And again, it doesn't alter the design or anything like that of the microphone. One thing that I will mention is that it's pretty heavy. So again, if you're going to get an arm like this, make sure you get an arm that is going to be able to support a microphone that is heavier, because it is really heavier. Now, if you get something like this, it doesn't matter. I mean, the desk is going to hold it, no problem about it. And again, it integrates with other systems out there. If you have a Rodecaster Pro or Rodecaster Pro 2 that just came out, they do have some stuff in there, software that is going to allow you to increase the quality of the audio out of this microphone. So it is compatible with some of the Rode products that are out there. I'm going to tell you, it's built like a tank. So once you get it, you're going to realize it quickly. It is a pretty tough, heavy construction microphone. So again, don't be surprised when you get it that you're going to be like, wow, it feels really, really good, and it feels well made. Again, you've been listening to my voice. This is how it sounds. I did not process the audio in this video at all, but starting right now, I am processing the audio. So this is kind of what you can hear. You can see that the audio got a little bit better, and I did that just by utilizing Final Cut Pro, removing some of the background noise and enhancing my voice just a little bit. So again, you saw the beginning where the audio was not processed, and now you see how the audio is processed. So you could definitely make it better if you have the right software. So far, I love it. I think the gray for the price is fantastic for somebody trying to start a podcast or starting to do YouTube videos or something like that, and it doesn't really want to spend a crazy amount of money.